Last 334 review. So, what do we have? So first of all, we have these seats for disabled people. Got some liquids. Got these folding down seats which are together for some reason. And we have 3+2 seating in this carriage. Now let's see the bathroom. This bathroom is very giant. I wonder why. For just a 3-carriage train. So we've got the toilet, maybe changing on the toilet for some reason. Flush, lock buttons, a mirror, SOS, basically everything you need in a train. And toilet, also we've got this very easy door panel. Just look outside the 334. Also in the first carriage, in the driver's carriage, lots of vents. These have yellow things on them. And here you have 2+2 seating with some things under them. But it's still not tables. So they up there. And you've got the driver's cabin. Now for the 334 outside, let's quickly check it out from the other side. This is the train from the outside. As you can see, we've got lights. Here it is. And this is the first one of them. So, the total ranking of this train I give out of 10 is an 8.